Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called spend analysis. Spend analysis is a process of identifying, gathering, cleansing, grouping, categorizing, and analyzing the organization's spend data. This is done with the goal of decreasing procurement cost and improving efficiency by increasing visibility and transparency. Using real-time data and analytics gives you insight you need to save money and gain efficiency. Spend analysis is just one piece of much larger field of spend management. It is used to visualize all your data so you can make better sourcing and supplier decision. Additionally, it can also help with improving contract compliance, reducing cycle time, and uncovering maverick spending. There are three core areas of spend analysis: visibility, analysis, and process. When you leverage these three areas, you will be able to identify how much you are spending, with whom you are spending, and the ROI in that spend. Achieve complete visibility of your spend. So conducting a proper 7-step spend analysis will give you complete visibility into your spend. Whether it's your first spend analysis or your later one, you want to make sure that it is a success. How? By using key performance indicators, you can quantify your success. Analyze spend data for maximum versatility. Once your data is cleansed and organized into relevant categories, you are ready to start analyzing. Look for trends and verify that you are leveraging supplier data to get competitive pricing. Use this pool of aggregated spend information to understand where your spend is going and who it is with. Improve process with the fact-based spend analysis data. This is a step where you can begin to plan your process roadmap or implement course correction where it is necessary. In order to improve your process, you need to start with credible data you gathered in your spend analysis. This data enables you to transform your procurement process from technical to strategic sourcing. Thanks for watching. Bye.